Hey everyone, welcome back. African Crab here. I'm bringing you another yarn recommendation. Today I have, guess what? Karen Blossom Cakes. I have since been using these yarns and I absolutely love them. As you can see in the background there, my Duchess has a project that I just completed using the Karen Blossom Cakes. This one is the color Macao. Very, very unique. It's very springy. I would say it's a perfect project for the spring. It is really, really affordable. They retail for $13 at the Michael's stores. I bought mine on sale because I shop a lot at Michael's. I normally get my yarn at a discount and I get vouchers. So I bought mine at $5 each. It was a lucky time, actually, when I went to the store. It was such that my husband started to laugh at me because we had just gone there to buy a different yarn because I had a project that I hadn't completed. And I'll share that project here in a little bit. I'm working on a star blanket and I was missing a piece of yarn. So we went there specifically to get that yarn, and guess what? These had just come in and they were on clearance, literally, for $5 a piece. So I got so happy that I grabbed quite a few. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags, so a total of 12 of them. I'm gonna tell you that it is such delight working with this yarn. If you haven't grabbed any, please do, because they're getting ready to discontinue them. So if you have a Michael's next to you, stop by and grab some. I think they have a coupon online right now. If you apply it, you buy it for about $9, okay? I've seen people sell them on eBay for $13, and eBay, of course, you have to bid, so they're running about $20, $25 a piece. But currently, Michael's has them on sale. So if you shop online, you get a coupon that you can apply, and you get it for $9. I think it's $8.99 if I'm not mistaken. This yarn is 61% cotton, 39%, I believe, acrylic, and it's 481 yards, which is a lot of yardage. Okay, it's really, really soft. As you can see, I did work on a poncho. That is my poncho there. It's beautiful. I used 2.5 of these skins to make my poncho. The fringes took a lot more than I expected. So let me see if I can bring this closer for you. Let's zoom in so you can see. I'm not sure if I can zoom in this way, but my Duchess here, and let me go ahead and, this is a poncho that actually changes. As you can see, you can wear it this way, right? And make a collar out of it if you want to. I thought of adding buttons over there, but I thought I'm going to leave it simple and elegant, so I don't want to add any buttons to it. But as you can see, I put shorter fringes. I've noticed online people are using much longer fringes. My longer fringes are for Christmas season, the holiday season, and I'm working on a lot of Christmas items right now to save time. But this is my poncho. You can wear it this way. It has shorter fringes. It's a one size fits most. If you need a size larger, I have a custom order feature in my shop. If you've not visited my shop before, please stop there. African Crab on Etsy. If you click the custom order button, you can send a request for me to make something for you, specifically any size. I ship free anywhere within the United States. International, of course, there is a fee, but if you're in the US, I can make this in a bigger size for you. I received 3 custom orders for 4XL, which turned out really well, but it's a yarn guzzler, as you can imagine. So if you change this and wear it this way, it is very unique, very elegant, and it's really soft. Did I mention it's soft? Really soft. So that's what I completed with my Macao yarn. So go ahead and get one and make something, share with me. I thought I would recommend this yarn. It is really beautiful. I have a different one, but today I'm recommending this particular one. They have different colorways, so you can, I believe I have, let's see. This one, I'm working on a project as well. This is part of it, but I started using it already. This one is Blossom Cakes as well, and the color is Blossoms. That is weird that this is Blossoms. These look more like blossoms, don't they? Anyway, This is the one I'm recommending today. This particular color is beautiful, but any other color that you want to use for a project, for a gift, make anything you want. It works great for blankets or throws for the holiday. This is a perfect time to start working on those projects for, you know, for fall and for winter. So I thought I would recommend this yarn. So I am not selling this, so they will not be available in my shop, but I'm using them for the holiday projects. If you do want a poncho like that one, you can custom order one or purchase this one in my shop. It's already in there. So you can purchase this. I will ship free anywhere in the US. But I absolutely love this yarn. Okay, this is really amazing. And for the yardage, $13 is pretty affordable. And for a discount right now, for $9, 481 yards. You need just 2 of these to make a decent throw or a baby blanket if you want. They actually work great for throws and blankets. I have a blanket in the making currently with this. It's a custom order, so that's why I ended up grabbing quite a few of these, but take time and purchase yours. This is really amazing. I think I'm going to be making some sweaters with this as well. I can use one single one to make a scarf. If you want to make a throw, 2 of them will work. That poncho there is 2.5. The fringe alone is almost 3/4 of an entire yarn. And those are shorter ones. So if you're looking at longer fringes on your poncho, you might need 3 skins or 3.5 to make your poncho and put longer fringes on them. But just so you know, grab these while they last. They're getting ready to discontinue them. I talked to the lady at Michael's, and that was her thought process, that, hey, we're clearing them out. We're bringing in new stuff now. Sometimes clearance just means they're getting rid of the stuff that's sitting there so they can bring in new stuff. And that new might include this, but just in case they don't, you can't go wrong by grabbing them at the current price. Online, there's a coupon, so take advantage. If you're a Michael's Rewards buyer, they are giving out vouchers and they're giving out coupons. I think there's a 30% coupon that, is it ending today? Probably ended yesterday. There was a 30% coupon on all your yarn. And then of course they're offering an online sales. There's an in-store pickup sale. And then of course your vouchers. So sign up for those rewards. The sign up is free. And if you shop as much as I do, I get rewards. I ended up spending a $25 voucher on my purchase. So this, I got 12 of them, and I ended up paying, I believe, $35 for 12 of them. That's an amazing sale, isn't it? Anyway, let me know what you think. If you've already used one of these, share your project with me. I'm available on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. I have some interesting boards on my Pinterest board. Follow me and pin something on my board. If you request, I will allow you to follow me, and you can pin on any one of my boards. I have a specific board for ponchos, so you can use that. I have a board for yarns, and I will be adding this to that board as well. If you're on my Facebook page, let me know how you're doing. Share a project on my Facebook. I have Facebook as well. And all of those links will be in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be updating more videos now that I'm back. I know a lot of you have asked where I have been and why I'm not updating a lot of, videos. I had about 4 to 5 years of a lot of medical issues going on. And then, of course, my full-time job had me so busy that my work-life balance was just, it went right out the window. But I'm back. I know I had come back previously, and all of my viewers are going, well, you said you were back before. Well, this time I'm back. So I will be updating some more videos. As you noticed, I made some changes on my channel. I have different playlists, and I have a lot of new tutorials playlist. I have a playlist for the granny squares that I'm going to be working on. As I work on the granny squares, I'm updating them as tutorials for you so you can use them for different projects. Okay, and I'm also updating some of the fun stuff I do when I travel. I'm a foodie, so you're going to see a lot of food. You're going to see a lot of travel. I'm going to be updating some of my fun hobbies, like I'm a tea drinker. I grew up drinking tea. So I'll be adding some stuff on tea as well. If you're a tea drinker, please join me. You will see some of the updates on my channel for tea. Okay, so for now, yarn recommendation, please go to Michael's, grab yourself one of these. I have a few that I'm selling on my shop, but not this particular color. The Macau is actually very popular out there, but I just noticed the blossoms is also popular because I bought a lot of blossoms as well to make some of the fall ponchos. These are for the fall, and I'm trying to update my shop before fall comes in because it gets really busy. I am accepting custom orders only up until the end of September. So if you have a custom order request, send it in now. After September 30th, I try not to because the holiday rush gets really crazy and I have to be busy. So get one of these. I highly, highly recommend. If it's not this color, get a different color. There are different colorways. Like I said, I have a blossom. There are different other colors. Grab one. The material is amazing to work with. Cotton and acrylic together, and it's just quite soft. All right? All right. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Continue supporting. Share. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. I will be recommending more yarn later. As the holiday starts, I'm already working on my holiday stuff. And so I do have some incredible yarn that just came in that I will be sharing with you. All right. I will see you in my next video. For now, take care and I'll see you later.